Hi guys, today we're going to do a quick mod here. On the windshield there is a logo. It says Team Corvette with the cross flags. You can barely see it. What we're going to do is we're going to put some vinyl behind it from the inside of the car. That's going to match the car. The outside of the car is going to really pop. So here we go. So we put 2 pieces of tape here on either side of this logo just to make it simpler to install from the inside. There's a little piece of vinyl that we have. It's 3M vinyl. It's good for exterior so it won't fade when you put that in there. You want to be using a little trim tool to push that in. So here we go. What do you guys think? It looks pretty good for a cheap little mod. I think just makes it pop real nice. All you gotta do is remove these little pieces of tape. And there you are.